This week, we're taking our next big step on our way to untying the lines. We've sold or given away most of our land-based paraphernalia over the last 2 years, but we still have a few boxes of sentimental items that we're taking to James's parents' house to store. One thing that we're really good at is cramming lots of activities into a short time span, and this little road trip is no different. After a 2.5-hour drive, we'll make our first stop in Normandy, Texas, so we can drop off Liberty for a week-long play date at Grammy's house. And just like that, the dogs were happy and we were back on the road.
Wow. Legacy Park. See right there?
Legacy Park. This is the Anderson County Justice Center.
Oh, that would be where inmates go.
You've arrived.
Oh, whoa, there it
You've
is.
arrived.
Wow, look at them pecan trees.
Athens Scuba Park is located about 70 miles southeast of Dallas, which was practically on the way to Oklahoma for us. Having just gotten our PADI certification last month, we could not pass up a chance to visit one of the top dive sites in Texas. We were really blown away by this facility. Owned and operated by Calvin and Shannon Wilcher, the Scuba Park has its own dive shop and training area, as well as over 30 attractions to explore in the 8-acre reservoir. From hot tubs to airplanes, party boats, sailboats, and even a bus. With limited time, we didn't get a chance to see everything that Athens Scuba Park has to offer, but that just gives us a great excuse to come back. Calvin and Shannon were so welcoming and helpful, and they really went above and beyond to make sure that we had everything we needed. If you get the chance to visit Athens Scuba Park, don't pass it up. Waking up in Oklahoma has the same reset effect on both of us. There's just something about being here that brings about inner stillness, a conscious reminder to breathe in our surroundings and appreciate all of our blessings in life. But life in the country doesn't sit still for long, and James's dad's up early getting in his daily breakfast of saltines and peanut butter. Then it's off to feed Buster, the bottle calf turned brat, that's currently trying to convince everyone that he should just eat milk replacement forever and never be a regular grass-eating cow.
There it is.
Buster was rejected by his mother at birth and required human intervention if he were to survive. This is an inconvenient and expensive situation for anyone raising cattle, but lucky for Buster, Larry and Teresa's herd is small and they have soft hearts. The perk, of course, for me, is that I get to molest yet another furry creature on my journey through this life. My general motto is that if it's alive, I love it. If it has fur, I will make it my friend.
You're getting too much attention, Buster.
Just trying to get that.
He don't want food one bit, does he?
Here, and then he kibble in his mouth, and he just went.
Come on.
What do you do, babe?
He went. And it all just fell out.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound, no matter where I
The chore this morning was removing the weeds that have invaded the pond on the property. If left unchecked, they will cover the surface and choke out the aquatic life, not to mention make it difficult for the cattle to get water.
we don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got
Larry has already figured out a way to clear the weeds with the tractor, so we were just there to get our hands dirty. And me? Well, I was self-appointed critter getter.
I miss the smoke on the Cumberland, and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall. Who are we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow?
Oh.
The sun is gonna rise
That's huge. Oh my god, Evie and Charlie would be going, oh, that's a hornworm.
Hornworm?
Yeah. The tomato hornworm, I think it's a tomato hornworm. Like tobacco hornworms are like seafoam green.
See why I married her? Smartest girl I ever met.
There's a hook on that pole. If you hook that worm
Yeah.
drop it down there, it'll go boom.
Go catch a fish real quick.
Circle of life.
We live for about 2 seconds if you'll go hook him, and then we'll have us some dinner.
He doesn't realize that I'm playing the part of the animal rescuer today.
I'm hungry, and he can feed me in a roundabout way.
Country girl can survive.
Lamb that caught the fish for dinner.
The only reason we get to eat tonight.
Periodically, the large perch need to be removed from the pond, and James never needs an excuse to fish, so we got to work.
Like in jellyfish fields. Yeah, maybe use your hat. Never mind, this is going great just like this.
Start spitting tobacco. You ready? Okay. There you go.
Gross. Sorry, buddy. Here he goes. I got it. I got it. Whoa, what the heck? Is that a catfish?
Yeah.
Wow. What happened, buddy? Oh, hi. Owie, that kind of hurts. You biting.
We're gonna have to buy him some more milk. Sorry, Larry. Look at what I got, boo-boo.
Oh no, he's stuck.
Don't lick me, please. Don't step on my feet.
Yeah, it's like huge blob of drool coming out of his mouth. You saw.
Remember in college?
Look at.
Pavlov's dog
Yep.
experiment.
Uh-huh.
That's what we got going here.
No visit with family is ever complete without a fish fry. We spent the evening in the barn, listening to music and enjoying the wonderful company.
So today's our last day in Oklahoma. Getting ready to leave and head to Austin. We got about a 5-hour drive.
Probably over 5 hours. And then tomorrow we got the 4th of July Willie Nelson picnic. It's been a Texas staple for, I don't know, since the 70s. But right now we're still relaxing up in Oklahoma.
Ranch life.
Ranch life.
Larry's fixing a bottle for Buster the calf. We're gonna try and get him out to pasture. So we're following Larry. He's trying to get Buster to have this milk.
Come on, Jesse. Come on. Hey.
He's just sticking his tongue out.
He's just sucking it down too fast. Go do cow things. Love you, Papa. Thanks for a great weekend.
Here, Bill's the good.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all be careful.
Yeah, we will.
Love you.
love you.
This was it, the Willie Nelson 4th of July picnic, and it did not disappoint. We got to see some of our favorite country artists, and the people watching was beyond fantastic. It's Austin, after all. And if you're wondering, 89-year-old Willie came out last and played a full hour set to close the show. I can hardly believe I got to check that off my bucket list. And now it's back to work, back home to our boat, back to our long list of projects, a much-needed break, but we're ready to keep moving forward. Like the video? Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Patreon. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to keep up with all of our adventures.